Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to send files with WeTransfer. As you can see, we're on our WeTransfer app. You need to make sure you're signed up and logged in, and then at the bottom you can see send. We're going to tap on send, and then tap on create transfer. Then here you can upload files up to 3 GB. You could decide to get a link or send as an email. We're going to tap on the plus icon there, choose if it's through our camera, photo and video library, or browsing. So we're going to choose photo and video library, then choose an image. Then at the top right corner, we're going to tap on add. And here you can see the image has been added, and that's the title. You can see the message, you can tap on message and say, here's the pic. So here we have our file and we have a message. And then you can see the expiration date, 3 days, which is the default setting. You can tap on it and set more time if you need to. You could decide to add a password, but with this we're fine, so we're going to say transfer. It's currently preparing to send the file, and after a few moments, the link is ready. You can tap on share, copy the link, or tap on done. If you say share, you have a range of options to choose from on how you wish to send the link. Of course, you could go ahead and tap copy link, and you can see at the top the link copied to clipboard, and you could paste it wherever you want to in order to send the files with WeTransfer. So this is how to send files with WeTransfer.